How to use stretch rest in CS2. So first, just simply go to your settings. Then after that, go to video right here. And once you're on video, just simply select aspect ratio and set it to normal 4:3 and select the resolution that you want. So I use 1280 by 960 since it's my preference and I really like it. So after that, just simply click on apply changes and this will load up and make sure that it's set to full screen window or full screen. Now, once that's done, I'm just going to set it back right here. So set it to full screen first, then apply the resolution that you want and make sure the refresh rate is 144. Click on apply changes. Then if you want it to be windowed, just make sure to select the full screen window right here, then click on apply changes again. As you can see, you're on full screen windowed, but you have your stretch rest activated just like that. So you could simply go back to your second monitor without your screen going back to the desktop, which is pretty useful. But you might need to set this again after using it or after you're done with the game and you've restarted the game or something. But that's basically it.